Good afternoon, brilliant people. This is Jobert Bergaza, and welcome to Jobert Talks. It's another beautiful afternoon for all of us, and we're going to talk another topic today that I need to share to all of you. Because at some point, naapiya kita connotation mga my dear, nga kita inferior rata and then they are superior as far as the interaction of society is concerned. Nagutay ingon ana nga concept sa atong utok, di ba? I'm sure you can relate. For example, in the country Philippines, the northern portion of the country, they tend to think themselves nga sila ang superior, and then the southern part of the country, napatay connotation nga kita ang inferior in the society. So, in the interaction, mura bitaw tag kinahanglan ta mangayog apology all the time. Wala tay katungod nga mo share sa atong opinion because we tend to think nga lower level ta in the society, which I am certainly, and I want to correct that certain idea, kana nga concept sa atong mga utok. Because you know what? For the last few years, nga nagsige ko create og content, long before, I'm not also confident to face the camera and to talk everything what's on my mind. Because for me, a lot of people will judge the way I talk, the way I speak, the way I share my knowledge, and many other factors, especially the language that I am speaking. Most of the time, we are coined, oh my God, you're just Bisaya, something like that. No, there's a bad connotation from the kind of language that we have. But moingon siya ko sa akong kaugalingon, no, it's time to correct that certain notion nga dili lang ta diha ataman. We can actually do better and express our opinion. If they don't like our opinion, if they don't like what we are talking about in the video that we already produced, I don't care about that. No? Muana gyud ko sa akong kaugalingon mga my dear. Especially now that I already established a channel and I'm producing videos every day. Moingon siya ko sa akong kaugalingon nga you cannot define me by just telling me or by just like giving me negative comments sa video nga akong gi-produce. I don't care about that anymore. 'Di ba? Kay para sa ako everybody has a right to speak something, especially if you are part of the community. No, wherever you are in the Philippines, aduna kay katungod to speak about it. Ako ng opinion. If you don't like my opinion, you can create your own point of view and you can make your own video out from that. The same topic but different ideas. And I think it's fine. You don't need to agree with me all the time. Same case that I don't need to agree with you all the time. I think that's the basic process. However, some people in our community, mura bitaw, gusto nila nga sila ang masunod always, no? And I'm not like that good, even before. Sa katong, wala pa ko'y narating sa akong kinabuhi, mga my dear, I'm not like that. I used to oppose. If I feel like this is not good, even if madaot ang ato ang relationship with each other, if I feel like this is not good, I will not agree with you. And I'm going to stand firm sa ako ang stand. Okay. Because so many opinion already nga akong na-release ako mga video nga gitutulan sa akong mga previous nga kaila. In fact, they talk about it. Nganong si Jobert yamang ging i-push forward nga mag-focus ta sa English, for example, than our Filipino language. Daghan ka dili mo agree sa ako ana. Pero ni sway ba ko sa ilahang madesisyon? No. My stand, my opinion, I'm entitled to do that or to say that one sa akong video. Because ang ni-follow sa ako ang ni-like sa akong video, that means to say ni-agree sila sa akong opinion. So I don't care about you anymore. You can actually make your own video and create your own world. Something like that, no? Okay, sa atong modern life karon mga my dear, end up na nato ng idea nga maulaw ta mo speak up because of our identity. Kay kani manggong tanan sa atoa as a person, this is our identity. Mabitaw ng ako mga my dear, dili gid ninyo makita nga magsundog-sundog ko kung giunsa nila pag istorya ilahang mga video. Daghan kay diri ang mga content creator. They're just following the same strand sa ilahang or sound sa ilahang pag-speak. Kay mauman ni viral, susundon sa tanan. But Chobert is not like that. I wanna stand kung unsay identity nako. I want you to remember me in a way kung unsaon ako pag-deliver ang ako mga videos. Wala gyud ko nag-change. Kung giunsa nako pag-talk ako mga speech before, Mao gina siya, natural gina siya, no? Mabitaw na makita niyo sa akong mga video, na gina yung mga mistake, mga my dear, no? Along the way, no cutting at all, wala edit na karon, no? Kung unsa akong maistorya while I'm talking to you, 9-minute video all around the corner, that is already the end of the conversation for today, no? What I'm telling to you now, kung unsa ka, ayaw na siya ikaulaw. Because after all, just try to imagine this one, mga my dear. Daghan kaayo mga famous nga personalities nga nilabay na sa tong kalibutan. Namely, for example, Whitney Houston, Michael Jackson. Kinsa pa tong ubang nangawala na sa kalibutan karon. They were once very famous in the world, no? Gina-celebrate sila. But after sa ilahang kamatayon, aha naman sila karon. Napabay nag-remember? There's one video nga ako nakita, gi-show niya ang lubnganan ni Whitney Houston. And I'm shocked. Kaya nakahilera na siya dito sa mga buwak, dito sa corner, sa usa ka cemetery. And then, I feel like, oh my God, a famous artist in America, pero yung ani na yung ending karon. So, that is the point of everybody, no? Bisag unsa pa nimo ka famous, bisag unsa pa nimo ka dato in this beautiful life, at the end of the day, pag mubalik na sa yuta, mga my dear, nobody will remember our journey when we were still alive. Makalimtan ta sa tanang tao sooner or later. That is life, no? Na ay famous nga attorney diri nga akong gina-follow nga bag-o lang siya namatay. I'm so sad for that lawyer because maayo gud kay siya. Ipilit man ako nga i-remember siya all the time, but the beauty of life is dili gyud. Malimtan gid nato ang mga tao nga nilabay na sa kalibutan. Mao na siya design sa atong kinabuhi. So, unsay purpose? Why are we going to cover the kind of identity that we have? Why do we need to pretend? Ako, I'm sure daghang gigitan-aw sa ko nga mga foreign teachers here, and in fact, they're just watching me. They're not following me. They're not, liking my videos, and I don't care about that. But they're watching all the time. No? Kaya ingon ana ang beauty sa kalibutan. Nagali mga tao nga galak sa ilang Facebook, pero kasigig tikaw-tikaw sa Facebook. What's the point? They just want to, what? Laugh at you, no? Make some rumors or gossip about you, because that's life after all. So karon kung magpa-apekto ka ana nila, no, the bad comments from insecure people, pildi ka. The thing that you want to do in this life, na control nila because gialaw nimo sila nga mo prevail sa imuhang kinabuhi. That shouldn't be the case. Again, kitang tanan malimtan ra gyud sa mga tao, no? Dili gid ta nila ma-remember forever, especially kung wala na ta aning kalibutan na. So while you are still here, make use of that opportunity, no? Nga imo habang i-develop ang potential nga kung unsay naa nimo karon. If you love talking, go for it. Invest. Na mga times nga, di pa gid ta maayo, magkamali-mali pa ta. But in the long run, after 5 to 10 years, I'm sure. Unsa na ka si Jobert ana no? After 10 years of talking in front of you, kaning simple na to nga conversation today, what will happen to the show 10 years from now? Diba? Muna itong tanawon. Dili ta maglantaw sa kung unsa giunsa pag-perceive sa mga tao ang atong kinabuhi. It doesn't matter actually. Kaya kung akong i-review ang akong self, ang akong mga videos 5 years ago, pagkadako sa kalahian, the way ko mo talk and face to my crowd, pagkadako sa changes nga nahitabo. No, I cannot imagine. Ngamoingon ko, if wala ko nag-create of video ani mga panahon na, how can I assess myself? Ingon ana. So again, whatever you want to do in this lifetime, go for it. Ayo pagtan-aw nga taga diri ara ko, diri ko nga bansa, ingani akong status in the society, dili mi dato, sumurag wa ko'y karapatan nga kanang mo talk about it. No. Today, this is the new Jobert. Kung unsa akong ingon, I'm going to stand firm sa akong opinion. For example, if I don't like that place, I have to say, di ko ganahan. Dili ko nimo ma-change. Bisan pag imo ibubuta ng facts about that country, no. I have to say, that's my opinion. Respect it or not, I don't care about you. Ingon ana ta, no? Kay walay pulos ang atong kinabuhi dili kung magsigara tag sunod-sunod sa mga katawhan, no? Og di na to pakita or ma-amplify ang atong mga ideas. Hmm? So that's part of our conversation today. It's already time. See you again tomorrow for another golden conversation.